Have you ever looked out at the vast expanse of the ocean and wondered what secrets lie beneath its shimmering surface? While most of us see the ocean as a place of beauty and mystery, some believe that it holds the key to unlocking portals to other worlds. Yes, you read that right. There is a conspiracy theory that suggests the ocean acts as a gateway to alternate dimensions and parallel universes. Intrigued? Let's dive deeper into this fascinating theory and explore why some people believe in this bizarre concept. Please remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you enjoy these strange and sometimes spooky subjects. We appreciate you, and so does our channel. The idea that the ocean could be a portal to other worlds is not as far-fetched as it may seem. After all, the ocean covers over 70% of the Earth's surface and holds countless mysteries that have yet to be fully explored. It's no wonder that some believe that such a vast and uncharted expanse of water could hide secrets beyond our wildest imagination. One of the main reasons why this conspiracy theory has gained traction among believers is the occurrence of unexplained phenomena at sea. From mysterious disappearances to strange lights and sounds, the ocean has long been a source of supernatural tales and legends. Some argue that these phenomena could be evidence of portals opening up to other dimensions, allowing beings from other worlds to interact with our own. Furthermore, proponents of the theory point to scientific discoveries that suggest the existence of parallel universes. The concept of multiverse theory, which posits that there are multiple universes existing alongside our own, has gained popularity in recent years among physicists and cosmologists. Could these parallel worlds be accessed through the ocean, acting as a bridge between different realities? Of course, not everyone is convinced by this outlandish theory. Skeptics argue that there is no concrete evidence to support the idea that the ocean serves as a portal to other worlds. They point to natural explanations for the phenomena observed at sea, such as shifting tectonic plates or atmospheric conditions. Additionally, the lack of tangible proof of alternate dimensions makes the theory difficult to verify. Despite the lack of solid evidence, the notion of the ocean as a portal to other worlds continues to capture the imagination of many. Whether you believe in the theory or not, one thing is certain. The ocean remains a source of endless wonder and mystery. Next time you find yourself gazing out at the vast blue expanse, just remember that beneath the waves may lie a gateway to realms beyond our wildest dreams. So keep an open mind, and who knows what secrets the ocean may reveal. Happy exploring, and see you in the next video.